Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up TikTok pixel tracking in your Shopify store using Delta Pixel 2.0. Step 1. Open the Delta Pixel app. First, log in to your Shopify admin and open the Delta Pixel app from the sidebar. Click on the TikTok Pixels option in the left-hand menu. Step 2. Create a new TikTok pixel. Now click on Add TikTok Pixel. To complete the integration, you'll go through simple steps. Step 3. Add pixel details. In the first step, enter a name for your TikTok pixel. Then for Pixel ID, open your TikTok Ads Manager. Click on Tools, Events, and click on the pixel you want to connect. Then copy the pixel ID. Now go back to the Delta Pixel app and paste the pixel ID into the field. You can also choose where this pixel should be applied, the entire store collection-specific product. Step 4. Add Conversion API. In this step, go back to TikTok Events Manager and scroll down to generate an access token. Copy the token and paste it into the app under Conversion API token. Optionally, you can also copy your test event code from TikTok. This helps verify events quickly. Paste the test code if needed, or skip it for now. Click Save to move forward. Step 5. Complete integration. That's it. Your TikTok pixel is now successfully integrated with your Shopify store through Delta Pixel 2.0. Now perform some test activities on your online store, like viewing a product and adding to cart. Step 6. Verify events. Return to the Delta Pixel app, select today's date, and you'll see your TikTok Pixel events being tracked live. This confirms that your integration was successful. Thanks for watching.